Welcome to General Health Tips for Everyone. Feeling tired or foggy? Today, we'll reveal how 1 glass of coconut water daily can naturally boost your energy and focus without caffeine. Before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe for more health videos. Coconut water is nature's energy formula, packed with essential electrolytes, potassium, and magnesium. This natural beverage, derived from young, green coconuts, is approximately 94 to 95% water, making it incredibly hydrating. It keeps you hydrated and energized, providing a steady, natural boost with no crashes, unlike many sugary drinks. Coconut water is low in calories, typically 44 to 60 calories per cup, and contains less sugar than many fruit juices or sports drinks. It provides a natural source of vital minerals like potassium, magnesium, calcium, and sodium, crucial for your body's functions. Remember, coconut water is distinct from coconut milk, which is much higher in fat and calories. Dehydration makes you feel weak and sluggish, impacting your overall well-being. Coconut water restores hydration faster than plain water, thanks to its balanced electrolyte profile. These electrolytes, including potassium and sodium, are vital for maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. By replenishing fluids and electrolytes lost through daily activities or exercise, it helps oxygen flow efficiently to your brain. This improved circulation gives you more stamina and energizes your body from the inside out. Studies even suggest coconut water can be as effective as sports drinks for rehydration, though it generally contains less sodium. Losing concentration or feeling mentally foggy. That's often a direct result of dehydration. The magnesium and potassium in coconut water play a crucial role in brain health. Potassium helps maintain fluid and electrolyte balance, essential for optimal nerve function and cognitive processes. Magnesium, on the other hand, is involved in energy production and nerve transmission, supporting overall brain function. Staying hydrated with coconut water can significantly improve concentration, alertness, and cognitive performance, refreshing your mind. For best results, incorporate 1 cup of coconut water into your daily routine. You can drink it in the morning to kickstart your metabolism and enhance focus, or midday when your energy levels typically drop. It's also highly effective post-workout, helping to replenish lost fluids and electrolytes within 30 minutes after exercise. During illness, such as vomiting or diarrhea, coconut water can aid rehydration by replacing lost fluids and electrolytes. Always choose fresh or unsweetened versions to avoid unnecessary added sugars and preservatives. 1 to 2 servings a day is generally perfect for most individuals. Beyond energy and focus, coconut water offers additional benefits, like supporting heart health through its potassium content. It may also help prevent kidney stones by increasing the excretion of potassium, chloride, and citrate. Its antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the body. Being low in calories and fat, it can also be a valuable part of a weight management plan, promoting satiety. And don't forget skin health. Hydration from coconut water can improve skin texture and reduce dryness. Let's recap. Coconut water restores hydration, provides natural energy, and significantly improves focus. It's a superior alternative to sugary drinks and a valuable addition to a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Stay hydrated, focused, and healthy.